Hello friends. Today, let's question on money. In this video, we would be questioning the purpose, importance and philosophy of money. And you have to question yourself to find answers to it. Money is very important. Without it, we can't live. But we have to ask, is money really necessary? We need to stop and ask, what have I done in life till now? Not talking about the awards, achievements, or degree, but something different or something unique. Are our thoughts just occupied by money or occupied just by money? We all know about the cycle, greed of money. But we need to ask, where is this cycle going to end? If it's going to end, what are you going to do with that money? Money is illusion. We all are running in this race, but we need to think, are we going to be happy after winning this race? Is it going to take us anywhere? Is money distracting us? Or is it straining our relations? Just stop and think over it once. Have money made us blind? Another important question we must ask ourselves: should money be our purpose in life? As it is said that money is required to live a comfortable life, but whether more money change our definition of comfort? Whether the money you are spending or the work you are doing is adding values to lives of people, or you are just doing it for your survival? Is money the only way to fulfill your dreams? Or you are doing all these things just for the love of money? Will the desire for more money make your life more common or more dull? Is share market or investment in cryptocurrencies going to quench our thirst of money, or will it increase infinitely? Those who spend all their lives on footpath think in the same manner about money as we think now? Who is richer in this world? Those who are earning money for living, or those who are living for earning money? What's the difference between a poor and a rich man? Both need money and both are living to earn money. What's the difference? We are so busy in earning money that we are not even asking, why are we earning money? What is richness? Does possessions makes you rich, or life itself is richness? Do money defines your status? And do people's reaction depends on the same? Are we going to take this money somewhere? Or is it the money who is taking us nowhere? Are we earning money just to increase our self-image? Today, everyone is having money, but do it have the same value for everyone? Do the beggar on the streets have the same value as a businessman? Money can't buy happiness. Poverty can't buy anything. Nothing is free in this world. So friends, don't think of poverty and don't dream of richness. Be what you want to do in life, and money will follow. Money is just an object created by men, but now it seems to be the controller of men. Are we really following our dreams? Or we just following money? Money can only buy all materialistic things and few fake people. Do your dressing sense defines you? But my friend, for some, what they wear is what all they have. The people who earn less, or those who are in lower profession according to the society, are they different from the other high class people? Are they in this situation by their wish, or was that circumstantial? Is money our identity today? And can life be easygoing without money? Money is a number, and number never ends. Don't confuse it with life. We have endings. Is being rich a dream? If you get it, you don't have any goal. Then why did you achieve it? That's unfulfilled life. It is said that money is the only differentiator. You can buy a home but not house. You can buy food but not appetite. You can buy a clock but not time. You can buy a bed but not sleep. You can buy a doctor but not good health. You can buy insurance but not safety. You can't buy everything with money. It's difficult to be happy with small money, but impossible with more money.